Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello mga ka-cooks. Well, today we're going to make a chicken ginataan or chicken with coconut milk. So this is a Del Monte quick and easy gata mix. Gata, that means it's coconut. So this is real coconut milk with spices. So what I have right here, I'm gonna show you guys, is what I have right here is this is a cut up chicken wings. Okay, what I did yesterday was I boiled them with seasoning, you know, to so it won't just be like water. So I boiled them a little bit of water, a little bit of soy sauce, pepper, onion, and then star anise. So what we're gonna do is, it would be a little easier for me to put the seasoning, because all I have to do is just add a little bit more water with my gata mix, which is a Del Monte quick and easy. So this is gonna be our lunch for today, since I've been craving for some coconut flavor. So what I'm going to add on that is mix deluxe stir fry, which is, you know, this is a combination of broccoli, Italian green beans, carrots, baby corn, water chestnut, and bell pepper. So we'll add that to our chicken ginataan. Thank you so much mga ka-cooks for watching our video. But today is, if you notice, my voice is still, it's still kind of low because we're still taking care of our beautiful mama. So she is taking a nap. So anyway, so we can start on turning on our stove right here. Okay, and this should be quick and easy, guys. So let me read what it says on the instructions. Take this. It says you need oil, onion, garlic, meat, calabaza, which is you can put any kinds of vegetables. To me is, you know, I just don't stick to what the recipe said. I would, you know, if you like broccoli, hey, you can put the coconut milk on the broccoli. And it says a cup of water, and dissolve this mixture. Okay, so I already have turned on the stove for our chicken. And then so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna mix, since our chicken is just like a pound. So let me see if I need to use the whole thing. I guess I can use the whole thing, guys. Okay, let me go get some. I'll go get this measurement cups. Okay, get this measurement cups right here. I guess I can put half a cup first. Okay, it's half a cup of water. Add our mixture. Actually, I never tried this before, guys, so I hope this is good. But I'm pretty sure Del Monte is always, I don't know, Del Monte product is always, they're always good. So let me try. Let me put half first and see what it looks like. Maybe, because I don't want to put too much with our little meat, you know what I'm saying? Or maybe I can put the whole thing anyway, since I get vegetables in it. That's right. So I can just put the whole thing. But let me mix this up first. I'm gonna be using my chopstick to mix the mixture up. smells good. It's already like smells like, oh, yeah man, that's why I'm gonna finish the whole thing. Okay. I may add a little bit more water, guys, okay? So it's a three quarters of water. Okay, I mix it up, and then let me see if it's, yeah, it's starting to loosen up the sauce. What I like, guys, when I'm boiling the meat, I always put the seasoning, you know, at least pepper, a little bit of salt, because I mean, you just don't want it to be taste like water, you know what I'm saying? So, and pardon me, guys, if you can hear the squeezing up there. I'm doing my laundry, so it's a you know, multitasking. We have to do that, you know, to get things done. Look at my hair, my goodness, look at my hair. It feels like my hair is a bad day. Pardon me, guys. So but anyway, so while I'm doing my laundry, I'll be cooking for our lunch, getting ready for mama's lunch also, which I was thinking to give her some chicken soup, you know, because she is having a hard time to eat the hard food, you know, so I try to give her a little something that would be easier for her to swallow and to manage to chew and things like that, because you know, so yeah. So this morning we already went to Walmart and got us some a few groceries, you know, took the garbage off, you know, come back because we can't leave the house more than an hour, you know, by herself, you know. So we're always in a hurry with this situation. But anyway, so I think my chicken is heating up. So while we're doing that, I guess I'm gonna add my vegetables right here. I will add our vegetables. I don't know if you can see. Let me see if you can see right here, right there. Whoop! Got that, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna put some vegetables in here before I put the coconut milk. Okay. It looks good actually. My husband and I likes vegetables, so we'll mix them up. But you see, this is easy when your chicken or meat is already, you know, pre-cooked, when you are in a hurry all the time. So with my setup at the moment that I have to take care of mom, this is what I do. So while I'm, you know, just watching her, I'll be prepping my vegetables, my meat. And so let me see, I'm wondering if I can add a little bit more, and just a little bit more vegetables, guys. Okay, I love vegetables. I think that should be good. And then since I already put some pepper, onion and garlic yesterday when I pre-cook my chicken, I'll just add a little bit more pepper. It's almost empty, guys. But I still got a big bottle over there, so I'm just gonna put a little bit more pepper then, and I want a little spicy. I want to put some crushed pepper. My husband likes spicy too. Actually, Actually, he starts learning how to eat spicy food since we got married, and oh my god, he is loving it, loving it. Okay, then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna add my coconut mixture. Okay. And then we'll add our coconut mixture, guys. So while the vegetables is cooking, it's more flavorful if it's soaking up with our coconut milk or gata. Coconut milk or gata. So we'll just pour our gata mix. Oh, so good. Smells so good, guys. Okay. So that's what it looks like. Actually, it smells so good, guys. It smells like there's already a lot of seasoning in it, and all you need is just a little bit here and there. But since I like spices, or I put all kinds of stuff in there. Okay. So then what we're gonna do is just we will boil them or simmer them for like 30 minutes, and that should be good since our chicken is already pre-cooked. Then all we need to do is just soak up the coconut flavor with the vegetables. Okay, guys, and then I will have I'm gonna go find my lid. Oh, okay, here's the lid. Okay, so that's the lid right there. So we're gonna simmer them for like 30 minutes, and that should be good. And mom is up, you know, because she's just lying in there. So while I'm cooking that, and later also partner with our ginataang chicken. Ginataang chicken is I'm going to make a black rice fried rice later. Okay, so I think I was kind of thinking to put some bacon and egg for our fried rice. So that's what we're gonna do. Man, my hair is so bad today, but that's okay. So, but anyway, so while it's simmering up, I guess I can sit in here in the couch and watch TV. Then we're gonna go check our coconut chicken in a minute. So okay, guys, while we are waiting for our ginataang chicken, so while we are doing that, we are going to make our fried rice. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make some, instead of mixing up the egg to our fried rice, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a sunny side up. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, let me see if you can see. Okay, so I'm gonna be making a sunny side up egg. Okay, I have a little bit of oil right there. So we get a little bit of oil. You know, guys, when I'm making egg, I don't put too much oil in it because I always use a non-stick pan. So let's see if we can show you. There you go. So I will have some pepper. I have ancho chili and garlic. Okay, so we're gonna make a sunny side up egg I'm just gonna make two since it's gonna be just for me and for my husband, for my beautiful Baba. Ooh. I can put both of them. Don't matter. There you go. Alright. And I have garlic powder to that. Just a little bit. Perfect. I have ancho chili. This ancho chili is not that spicy, guys, but the flavor is awesome. Okay. I get pepper, which is almost empty, but I get a big bottle over there, guys. Probably you're like, hey, you better buy you some black pepper. Okay, I just put a little bit, okay? We don't want to overwhelm them. So that's gonna be our sunny side up. And just a little bit of salt. Not too much, okay? Since our chicken is already flavored. Because of this ginataan flavor. Okay, we'll put up our spices. Ooh. And let's check out our chicken, guys. Ooh, look at that. Delicious. Oh yeah, look at that. Yum. So we'll just cover them for another 10 minutes, guys. I'm so excited with our meal today. And one of the reasons I like cooking is because, you know, you can choose your flavor, your seasoning, your spices and things like that. And, you know, I like experimenting flavors. I don't stick to what the recipe said. So, oh, our sunny side up egg is so good. Look at this, guys. How perfect that is. Yum. Can you see this, guys? Yeah. Delicious. So, two would be perfect for one for me and one for my Baba. Oh, that looks good. And then what I'm gonna put on our fried rice is a combo bacon right there. So it's a so I bake the bacon and then just crumble them into pieces about this big. So you will have a chance of bacon beauties. So what's your lunch for today, mga ka-cooks? I hope that you are making a delicious lunch also. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. Okay, guys, we are done with our ginataan chicken and fried rice. I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, So that's our fried rice with sunny side up on the top. And this is our ginataang chicken. Pretty good. Well, thank you very much guys for watching our video, and thank you guys for supporting our channel. And you know what, with cooking, that's what makes me going with things going on right now with our family, you know, taking care of mom. I'm really so happy that, you know, with cooking, it makes me a little, you know, a little better when I'm in the kitchen. And so thank you very much guys for supporting our channels. And if you have any ideas for our lunch and dinner recipe, just let us know. And I hope that we can share our ideas, especially our Filipino communities, our OFW guys. Thank you. Bye.